A. The endpoints of segment AB are A, -8, 7, and B, 5, 1. Find the coordinates of the midpoint M. And B. The midpoint of segment PQ is M, 2, -3. One endpoint is P, 4, 1. Find the coordinates of endpoint Q. In part A, to find the coordinates of the midpoint M, you can use the midpoint formula. Let x1 equal -8, y1 equal 7, x2 equal 5, and y2 equal 1. You can substitute these values into the midpoint formula. When you simplify, -8 plus 5 gives you -3, and 7 plus 1 gives you 8. 8 divided by 2 gives you 4. So, the coordinates of the midpoint of segment AB are -3/2, 4. In part B, the coordinates of a midpoint are x1 plus x2 all divided by 2, y1 plus y2 all divided by 2. In this problem, you are told that the midpoint of segment PQ is M, 2, -3. So, the coordinates 2, -3 must equal the coordinates x1 plus x2 all divided by 2, y1 plus y2 all divided by 2. Therefore, 2 must be equal to x1 plus x2 all divided by 2, and -3 must be equal to y1 plus y2 all divided by 2. Now, you are also told that one endpoint is P, 4, 1. Let x1 equal 4 and y1 equal 1, and let the coordinates of endpoint Q be x2, y2. To find the x-coordinate of endpoint Q, you can first substitute 4 in for x1 in the equation 2 equals x1 plus x2 all divided by 2. Now, to solve for x2, you can first multiply both sides of the equation by 2. This gives you 4 equals 4 plus x2. Next, you can subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. This gives you 0 equals x2. So, the x-coordinate of endpoint Q is 0. To find the y-coordinate of endpoint Q, you can first substitute 1 in for y1 in the equation -3 equals y1 plus y2 all divided by 2. Now, to solve for y2, you can first multiply both sides of the equation by 2. This gives you -6 equals 1 plus y2. Next, you can subtract 1 from both sides of the equation. This gives you -7 equals y2. So, the y-coordinate of endpoint Q is -7. Therefore, the coordinates of endpoint Q are 0, -7.